Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. So today we're going to look at the loyalty points and discounts. So where we can go to have different discount types. So we're going to look in each and every of them. So to do that, I'm going to go to the point of sales application, then goes to the configuration, then settings. Then I need to search for discounts. So just in a moment, so discounts. And then as you can see now here, we have to activate the discounts. So where we're going to grant discounts on sales and order lines. So this on the sales, but for the point of sale, then this is where we're going to have the promotion coupons. So this one is on the sales application, as you can see, and this one is on the point of sale. So since we are looking at the point of sale today, so I'm going to just select it, this one. I can deselect or just leave it like this. It doesn't have any effect on the point of sale app. So once I just save, so it's going to load and just in a moment. And then from there, we are able now to configure our different discounts and royalty points. So just in a moment, it's loading now. Great. So now going back to the point of sale app, I'll just go to the point of sale app. And once I click on the product, as you can see now, we have discounts and royalty points, and we have gift cards and one G wallet. So when I go to the discount and loyalty point, we have different. So at the moment, we don't have any program because we have just activated the feature just now. So we have promotional program, we have promo codes, we have also buy X and get Y, we have next order coupon, loyalty card, coupons, and fidelity card. So as you can see, we have some small explanation just here. Few explanations, just like for the promotional program, it's an auto promotion 10% on order higher than a certain amount, or it can be on a certain product. Then we have promo codes where we get the 10% on some products with a code. Mostly these operate when you're having a self order or self checkout, or when you're having a website checkout. Then we have buy X and get Y. Then as the name tells it, is that you can go to buy like two products and then you get the third one free. And then we have next order coupon where we send a coupon after an order valid for next purchase. So it means you have to purchase for you to be able to get a coupon for next order that you are going to make. Then we have the loyalty card, so win points with each purchase and claim gifts. So this mostly is where we have even in Kenya and most of African countries, where most of the supermarkets and retail shops use the loyalty card. Then we have the coupon generator and share unique coupons with your customer. So once you generate these, and then they can come with it on either the shop or your website or self order, then they can always use that coupon to be able to get some percentages or fixed price. Then we have Fidelity card where you can buy 10 products to get $10 off on the 11th one. This is an example that we can have in this loyalty. So for today, I'm just going to go to loyalty card. For you to be able to see how the others plays out, you can always go to demo.myprogrp.com, then log in with email demo and password demo for you to be able to see the rest. So let me just click on the loyalty card. So from the loyalty card, um, so from the loyalty card, we have the program type. As you can see, once you click that, we have it already selected, but you can always select another one. So if you select another one, then it means you can always change the program name. So it means once you choose one, then the configuration changes completely. So on the form, I'm just going to explain everything. So if it's a promotion, I'm going to choose the starting date and the end date. And then we have like a limit usage. Let's say, for example, you can only use this loyalty card up to one or two times. So you can only set that two time or one time and all that. But if it is unlimited, so it means once they come and buy, always they will always have some loyalty points. Then I can always leave it just like this. Then if I choose a price list, as we have like different price lists, it means that price list has to be chosen so that now that discount can apply. So if I don't choose it, then it will apply either the price list has been chosen or not. Then the point, it's I've just given it a name. It's royalty point. You can always change it to either of your ways. Then it's going to be available either on point of sale and sales app. So this is already selected. If it's only going to be on the point of sale, you can always deselect the sales. Then if you have multiple point of sale, as we have like on our database, we have two, you can always choose which point of sale it's going to affect or apply in. If you just leave it like this, it's going to be applying on all point of sales that you have. Then here on the reward rules and reward tab, we have conditional rules first, and then we have how they get that reward. So if, for example, a minimum of the item is bought, one royalty point per the currency it's spent. So when I click on it, I can go to just configure it. Let's say, for example, when they buy a minimum of one quantity, so it means they have to buy, then they're going to get, and if, for example, if there's a minimum purchase, then I can always set, is it going to be inclusive tax or exclusive tax? If I just leave it like this, then it means it's all the products with have zero and above purchase price. Then I can also grant how many points they're going to get. Let's say they're going to get 10 points per this spent or per order or per unit paid. So let me just leave it as per order, and then I can choose a product, specific product. If I just leave it, it's going to be on all the product. Same case with the category and same case with the product tag. So I'm just going to save this one. So just like this. And then how is the reward going to be done? So then we're going to have either free products or discounts. So we can always choose either free products that they're going to get or just a discount. So I'm going to go with a discount. And let's say, for example, they're going to get a 2% on, for example, order or cheapest products or specific products. So if I just, remain it as order, it means it's on all the products. Then on the cheapest product, it means then I need to go and choose those cheapest products. The description is like this. So I need also to have like all the cheapest products that are going to be under on the order. They're going to have like, so the cheapest product on that order is going to have a 2%. Then if I have specific products, I can always just come here and select those products or the product category or the product type. So just leave it on the order and it's going to be like this. So if there's a maximum discount that a client can get, then I can set. Let's say, for example, they cannot get maximum of 2K or even 200. Then I have now in the exchange of 200 points, they're going to get a 2% of the on the order. So I'm going to save it, and once I save it, then I'm going to just save it like this. So as you can see right now, we don't have any royalty cards that we have already. So I can always come and create one, and I can always just, this is a code, the expiry date, I can also set it. Let's, for example, it's going to be ending this time. And then I'm going to choose the partner as Abigail. So it's going to end on 2026. So as you can see right now, it doesn't have any balance. So it's zero balance, and you will see the history line of that. So these they can go to get it, for example, from the customer customer experience or customer support desk. They're going to just be created like this. So once I have that in place, as you can see, then we can always go to our dashboard, go to electronic shop. I'm just going to click on continue selling. So we have seen it's Abigail, and then I'm going to choose the product. Let's say it's going to be this brown one. And then once I choose, so the first thing actually to do is to have that client. So let's say, for example, we have seen it's Abigail. So Abigail Anderson. So once I just choose the product like this, so as you can see, there is a loyalty point that they're going to get. So 10 is equals to 10. So if, for example, we also do it even later. It can always be considered. If they want to maybe use the loyalty points, so I can always, if they want to pay with the loyalty points, I can always click on action and we have the reward and they can always now pay less that amount. So that's how the loyalty points works. And then once you click on the payment, you can always move with the whole transaction. I can also come and let's say we remove it, and then we don't have the customer, and choose, for example, the cabinet like this. And then when you go to the payment, I choose Abigail. So I'll just say Abigail, and then I'll just choose like this. So then I'll just choose like how much they're going to pay in terms of with this payment method. And once I validate, then some points have been added to this client. And when I go, for example, to, as you can see here, there is a loyalty point 10. The balance on that is this. So it means at the end of the day, when you print, they're going to have this information. And then later, if, for example, they would come and you want to use them, then an order, they will just come and use the order and click like they want to use it. And then you just choose it's Abigail Anderson. And as you can see now, they're going to get 20. But because you want to use the royalty card, so we can always use that. So then they can always use the loyalty points to be able to pay. When I go now to the backend, so when I go to the backend and I click on the point of sale, when I go to products, then discounts and loyalty points, then you will see that there is a one royalty card. And when I click, it's going to be, when you go inside, you're going to see that they have 10 points. And I can always send, if I want to send them, this information, if, for example, they have requested for it. So once I send it to them, as you can see, we have this information. Congratulations, Abigail. Here is a reward from this company. Use this promo code, and they can always use it to be able to buy anything. So I can send it on email or just send it on WhatsApp if you have already connected WhatsApp on your database. So the other points or gift, it's a gift card which we're going to look on our next video. Thank you so much for joining and see you on the next one.